Ready to effortlessly conquer those tricky statistics problems? Meet ShinStats. Picture having a personal statistics wizard in your pocket, leading you step by step through the toughest questions. No more headaches, no more confusion, just quick and accurate results at your fingertips. Hey Nixers! Curious about the study grind? Let's unravel the numbers and meaning behind students' study habits. Let's roll! Begin by launching the app. Head to the menu bar and click on it. And here's a quick pro tip. To make things even easier, use the search bar. Just type descriptives, and voila! It will lead you straight to the calculator. All right, Nixers. Got a question for you. Ready to dive into the heart of this dataset and uncover the average study hours as well as the variation in study habits? Let's proceed to the calculator to find out. On the calculator's landing page, we enter the values for hours of study. Next, we indicate whether the given dataset represents a sample or a population. Here, we will be prompted to ensure selecting the appropriate option, since some descriptive statistics may vary depending on the type of data. In this case, we select sample as stated in the question. Remember, accuracy is the key. The app's magic works best with precise data. Now, with everything set, we're ready to unleash the statistical wizardry and bring to light the meaning behind the numbers. Click Calculate and wait for the app to do its magic. All right, Nixers. For the given dataset, the mean is equal to 7.33, which suggests that on average, students spend about 7.33 hours studying. That's a significant chunk of their day. Imagine if this were real data, policymakers might consider adjusting schedules to make it more manageable for students, ensuring they get the crucial sleep they need. However, it's essential to note that this is hypothetical data. Descriptive statistics, like the mean we just calculated, provide us with a bird's eye view of the dataset, distilling it into a single, meaningful number. Now, moving on to the next statistic, we have median equals 8. Think of this as the middle point. If we lined up all the study times from least to greatest, the student right in the middle spent 8 hours studying. Now, moving on to the next statistic, the modes of the dataset is 5 and 8. These are the most common study times. More students study for either 5 or 8 hours. Next, variance is 6.75 and standard deviation is 2.5981. They both tell us how spread out our study times are from the average. But let's focus on the standard deviation since it is a much more understandable unit of dispersion, having the same unit of measurement as the mean. Both are in hours. It's like saying, on average, a student might study about 2.6 hours more or less than the typical 7.33 hours. Now, moving on to the next statistic, we have range is 8. This shows the spread from the shortest to the longest study time. It's like saying the difference between the student who studies the least and the one who studies the most is 8 hours. Now, isn't that fascinating? All those numbers we just crunched, the mean, median, mode, and even our variance, standard deviation, and range, they're not just random digits. They're the keys to unlocking the secrets of our study habits. It's like having a secret code to decipher the story our data is telling us. So, next time you're faced with a bunch of numbers, remember, they're not just there to confuse you. They're your ticket to unveiling the tale behind the data. If you're eager to dive into the details and explore how each of these fantastic stats is calculated, your curiosity is about to be rewarded. Simply click Show Solution, and let's embark on a journey of understanding together. Did those results light up a spark of curiosity in your mind? Show some love with a double tap or hit that like button. If you're itching for more data-driven excitement, go ahead and download the app from the Google Play Store. A heartfelt thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. See you on the next one. Follow for more.